I'm Damien from the horticultural team at Yardstick Landscape Services, and today I'm going to show you how to cut back Lomandra. Lomandra are a clump forming grass-like plant that are very hardy, and they do really well in sunny positions but will also handle a little bit of shade. Lomandra can start to look a little tired and tatty after a few years, so to overcome this we cut it back every 3 to 4 years to about 15 centimetres from the ground. I prefer to use a sharp set of hand shears or secateurs as they tend to leave a nice cut without tearing. Don't prune in summer or in drought conditions, as it will put the plant under a lot of stress and it may not survive. This will help rejuvenate the Lomandra so it will grow back and look great again. If we don't need to cut them back to the ground, you can keep them looking their best by getting rid of any of the older or damaged leaves.